Alright, so we have blizzard bags. Question number 10. We have identified the SI unit used for measuring representative particles. I have my introduction slide. It says, what is a mole? What does 1 mole equal? And what is Avogadro's number? Alright, we have what is a mole? A mole is the SI unit for measuring representative particles in something. It is usually used to measure small things like atoms or particles or ions, etc. Because atoms have different masses, 1 mole of one thing does not weigh the same as 1 mole of another substance. Alright, so we have what does 1 mole equal? 1 mole is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles. For example, 1 mole of hydrogen will equal 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles of hydrogen. When you're measuring in moles, it can be done in anything, but it isn't very useful because the numbers are usually too large. Alright, what is Avogadro's number? So we have the mole can also be referred to as Avogadro's number and or constant. We use this because it is the number of carbon atoms in 12 grams of carbon, and that is the most form of carbon that we know of. Alright, so in conclusion, we learned what the mole was and that it is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd representative particles, and that it is the SI unit used for measuring representative particles. And we also learned that the mole is not used in measuring many things, but it is used in for measuring small things like particles, ions, and molecules and things of that